Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country. Vietnam, Socialist Republic of Vietnam. Vietnam's capital city is Hanoi. Vietnam's flag has a red background with a large yellow star in the center. Vietnam total area is 331,212 square kilometers. Estimated population of the country is 38.27 million people. Majority religion are Buddhism, Catholicism, and Vietnamese folk traditions. Major languages are Vietnamese and English. Vietnamese dong is the country's official currency. Vietnam proclaimed independence from France on September 2, 1945. National bird Siem Lake. National animal water buffalo. National sport football. National flower lotus flower. National fruit rambutan. Vietnam is an S-shaped country located in Southeast Asia. It is bordered by China, Cambodia and Laos. Mount Phanxpan, the tallest mountain at 38,143 meters height. Mekong River is the longest river, 4,350 km long. Vietnam's tallest building is Vincom, landmark 81, 461.2 meter height. In 1954, Vietnam was partitioned into North and South Vietnam. That conflict leads Vietnam War. The US was heavily supportive of the South against the Communist North. In 1976, the US defeated finally unified independent Socialist Republic of Vietnam was proclaimed. Vietnam is the second largest coffee producer in the world after Brazil. Vietnam is the world's 15th most populous country and Asia's 8th most populous. One of the most famous sites in Vietnam is the UNESCO listed Ha Long Bay that includes over 1,600 islands. Snake wine is drunk in Vietnam. It often involves the inhuman process of drowning a live snake in alcohol before being bottled. The world's largest cave is in Vietnam. Song Dong Cave measures a total of 38.5 million cubic meters. Vietnam is the world's largest exporter of cashew nuts. It exports over 38% of world's cashew nuts. Around 16% of world's flora and fauna species can be found in Vietnam's the Greater Mekong region. The Vietnam War killed 2 to 4 million people, include 2 million Vietnamese civilians, soldiers and American soldiers. Motorbikes are everywhere in Vietnam, with over 45 million registered motorbikes in Vietnam. Vietnam is among the top 5 happiest countries in the world. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.